In the world of aviation, not all turbulence is a mere disturbance. Sometimes it's a spectacular show. Enter the Hawker Sea Fury, not just any aircraft, but a roaring 2,500 horsepower titan of the skies that blasts through the air with a mind-bending max speed of 780 kilometers per hour. As the Sea Fury tears through the skies, it generates these tightly spiraling vortices from each wingtip, which eventually collapse into one another, creating these mesmerizing smoke rings in its wake, turning air into art.